vote against it. Guys, good morning. We're waking up National Harbor dry this morning, but the wheel is purple and blue for a reason. It is cold out there. Bundle it up as you head out the door. Temperatures this afternoon will at least rise back into the middle 50s, but as you start your day, 20s and 30s out there. Warmer coats needed for sure. Then a cool but dry day coming up. Decent amount of cloud cover from time to time this afternoon, too, so it won't be a perfectly sunny day for us. 37 right now at D.C. Cold 28 in Gaithersburg. Welcome back to winter, right? Martinsburg 29, Winchester 28, Westminster sitting at 32, while Leonardtown is a little bit above freezing there, also at 37 degrees, but it's cold all the way around the region here. Clouds filtering in out of the south this morning, and this will kind of be the theme throughout the day. We're going to have partly sunny skies to, at times, mostly cloudy skies. Reason why? Storm system down to our south, gathering some strength off the Carolina coastline here. The rain you see, thankfully, will miss us down to the south and east as this guy pushes out to sea, but some of the cloud cover that's getting blown off it will occasionally come up and grace our skies this afternoon. Other than that, high pressure building in across the plain states is pushing in the northern breeze today. That's going to bring down some drier weather, so that's at least the good news. It will keep us safe from the rain. The bad news, well, it'll keep our temperatures pretty cool this afternoon, about seasonally cool. Upper 40s, lower 50s across the area, depending on just how much sunshine we're able to filter on through. But again, cloud cover will win from time to time today. 47 by 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock 52, 5 o'clock 50 degrees. Tomorrow's a nicer day, more sunshine, temps in the 60s, but we'll jump ahead now to the weekend because the big story we'll be talking about is this potential, what we call a bomb cyclone. Just means a rapidly intensifying cyclone that could wrap down some very, very cold air. Falling temperatures all day on Saturday, and the winds will be blowing. And we could have some gusts 40, 50, 60 miles per hour in some spots as this storm system intensifies. Likely to be mostly a rain event here in D.C. that could end as a little bit of snow on the backside for Washington. Northwest zones may see some accumulating snows. I'll show you here in just a moment. Then as that storm system exits, we will be very cold. I have 40s around here for daytime highs on Sunday, but Sunday morning, likely teens and 20s to start the day. So we are certainly going back to winter in that department. Again, these are early look at your Fox 5 Saturday outlook here. Again, in the pink zone, I-95, mostly rain that may end as a little bit of mix or some snow. Rain changing to accumulating snow, though, the farther north and west you go. Those areas might see an inch or two, mostly on the grass in these zones. Even the areas like Winchester, Hagerstown, Frederick, those areas could maybe see a little bit of a coating. It's the mountain zones that are going to see the potential for the most out of this guy, maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow. They're actually under winter storm watches already up in the highlands and the mountains to the northwest. Nice day, 62 tomorrow. Saturday's the chaotic one, and then we flash forward to Sunday, get some sunshine back. Sun doesn't set till after 7 on Sunday, but it will feel like winter cold. Aaron?